people, keep coming to me for the first time. I go by the name of Sibano, so the comedy son of comedy is real talkative online Zadi, and I'm here with
Maglicious baby one.
Yeah, wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, now feedback from one of our videos. So, this feedback is from Monica. In the talk about the ex Oni of Ife Queen Zaynab. She talks say Queen Zaynab get kayamata for men. We say she dey use for men because most of the guys we say she don't roll with na billionaires. So she talks a Bini Princess, ex-wife of a senator. The senator is a billionaire. Ex-wife of a former governor. The former governor billionaire. Ex-wife of a former ex-wife of a king. The Oni of Ife precisely a billionaire. I'm presently wife of an Arab prince in Qatar. He can't say that now. And this thing you call the bill as not true. Just imagine. I mean that they say ex-husband of a oil and gas. I'll say yeah, wow. Ex-husband of the Arab princess.
You don't say this on Niger Delta. They like where money they oil company.
I'm a good digger. I don't fall in love. Take it or leave it. Voila. So now, as I just say, I'm presently wife of an Arab money. All husband are billionaire in naira and foreign currency. You see, naira and foreign currency. We just say here, we say you got to do one kind of work for area. We say you know they collect better money. So now it was so Princess Zaynab of Arab. We need the manual. Okay, the same way they give us the manual because now the matter I guess now she don't even born for the Arab prince billionaire. What do you have to say? Because this thing don't be like a real for my face. Don't be like a real.
But I want to start from this.
I don't know wait first. May I even talk this one? Husband, only you senator.
I tell
only you Bini Prince. Only you ex-governor. Only you king. Fifth one, I don't understand. I tell the cope. Only you 5 husband. I say I'm Adwam. What do you have to say?
I go first to first say congratulations to Kayamata for all her better things where she did too. You never see where she come up from Regina Daniel husband matter. It's so far no be small thing. That one they use her eye see something. I go say she dey do it. Like seriously. If she know they do it, her name for not the train us social media every time it will come out. And to the princess of I won't call her the queen. I waiting. I won't call her. We done the video, but
she married Arab prince, so now she be Arab princess.
Okay, make I say the Arab of the queen of Arab. You're like good. They say your face show, your shoe shine.
No, you shoe dirty.
But this time around, your stand now in the shine. No be your shoe they shine.
Wow.
Because
you,
imagine only you. The man carry, just carry the oil company money. You not just be the prince. You not just be the money maker or money making machine. You don't make everything.
Don't make everything.
Oh God.
So your name supposed to enter Book of Guinness World Record.
What are you not saying?
Only you senator. No, only you governor.
Only
you prince of Bini. Only you Arab money.
Wait till you
have never big. Record we have never big. Now girls go to run up and down. We are funny.
But you know say make I born pikin, make pikin grow past me. That's the way me I not achieve. Make my pikin achieve.
This is rubbish achievement.
I take be rubbish.
Take it or leave it. You don't live like 5 or 4 husbands. They leave them, do marry them, leave them, do marry. They divorce. You can't turn divorce to hobby. They ask you, what do you like doing? I like divorcing. What kind of?
Okay, make I ask you. They say if this one no favor you, take a walk.
Wait, if first husband no favor you,
she take a walk.
You take a walk. Go the second husband. You take a walk. Go to the third husband. If you take a walk again, you need prayer, spiritual. They need to carry you go one kind selection. May they give you better. May that demon, that divorce demon wey dey inside you, they suppose blow and comot, beat and comot.
She tell you say na marriage she dey after.
She be the problem.
Wait.
If she don't need the first husband, second husband, third husband, she be the.
They tell you say na marriage she dey after.
Okay, wetin she dey after?
You get money, I go there, I collect the one wey I wan collect. As you see the money no dey come again, I no go take a walk.
Okay.
I come from there.
Okay, she dey marry. She dey marry for business.
If not be business.
Now for Instagram ad, she will write businesswoman. So they go ask her, what do you do for a living?
Wait. Make her
I marry for a living.
If not be business, she dey marry for. What if you say she don't? You don't hear say she don't get like 10 children from all these men where she don't marry.
Na the first, this one sef dey be like saying na mistake.
Na even this one she don't even get because she don't see say be like say wetin I go gain from here. E don pass the one wey I wan gain from outside. So wetin you expect?
Girls out there, I beg. No, dey copy this woman o.
Wetin girls
you go enter one senator wey go use you, please just stay. Please stay with Papa Ebuka wey dey give you 1-2 to cook ogbono soup. The manager for now. Papa Ebuka is going to be rich. The future is bright. Please no dey divorce. Na record dey counter for you. As dey counter for you, just your life is going.
Baba Bidemi wey dey outside there, wey get money see. We won't go there with Baba Ebuka. No mind any Baba Ebuka wey be say go use your head though. Abeg if you see the one where you wan make money, go make your money jare.
The future is bright.
Which future you dey?
You know say e better. Girls now they define
no,
ready.
I don't understand which future.
Guy wey say you don't make her already. You don't know how you want. How you take make her more. You go dey. All those girls nowadays say they continue. What they think say money is easy.
First tell me how many girls.
It's easy to see.
May we use our popular musician Two-Face Dibia as
father of many nations.
Okay.
That's our father.
Presently now, he dey trend for social media say Two-Face don't give another girl belle.
That one no, that one is not. We are not surprised. That one though we are used to that news.
Now when Two-Face no get so them dey like plantation but now he dey with Nnaa where Nnaa dey fight hair scatter to make am become person.
To make am become person. I don't understand.
They work together.
Wait.
Okay, you tell me wetin happen now.
I don't
Every
understand.
day you see dey born. You see dey born.
Wait.
No be one, no be two.
Wait.
You see dey born. You see dey train.
Wait.
Now you don become.
Girls,
they
I
need
don't
to
understand.
give am my word
I know say wait. One day I go blow. One girl come tell me say I was there when you were drinking garri. I beg. Don't be say you were there when I dey drink garri. Now you buy the garri for me. No,
but she follow you drink the garri.
She don't follow me
for your garri.
She no contribute for my garri. Girl go dey say yeah, I was there when you were suffering. When they come outside the video, come out, how they give you transport.
Which transport? You get transport now you dey drink garri.
Wait, if you before I call because of
you
her,
get transport to give her. You now
any girl wey come dey say I was there when you were drinking garri. You were not the one that bought the garri.
Abeg, I wan beg all the ladies, the women wey dey outside. See, na when money dey, na make you put your head o.
When money dey, dey fit use you for there o.
No be everywhere dem dey use you. Just shine your eye make you know.
We'll just head down. Please, if you have any other feedback, just give us your feedback. We'll say it here. Just take it, and we're going to give you toilet me for no cost. Just subscribe, like, share, and we're going to do toilet. Just stay tuned. We'll see you on Entertainment Group
on the Amebo High Court.